biceps are one of the most important muscles when it comes to building an aesthetic physique. Building this one muscle can completely change how you look and how others treat you. And lucky for us, the biceps are one of the easiest muscles to grow. But here's the problem. Most of the popular recommended bicep exercises are terrible. And look, I've spent years following this horrible bicep advice, and my results reflected that. But once I actually learned how to train them properly, my results went to the next level. Today, I'm showing you the best and only bicep exercise you'll ever need. Alright, so for a bicep exercise to be optimal and effective, it needs to check 3 boxes. Firstly, it has to actually target the function of the bicep, which is simply elbow flexion. Literally just bending your elbow. Secondly, it has to have an optimal resistance profile. Therefore, it's hardest at the bottom of the movement. Since the biceps are the strongest at the bottom of the exercise, the resistance profile should reflect that. Lastly, the exercise should have maximum stability. The more we're able to stabilize and lock in, the more motor units our biceps are able to produce. And that means more growth. And very quickly, before we go over the number 1 bicep exercise, let's go over some commonly recommended ones and see where they fall short. Firstly, we have the chin up. Obviously the chin ups suck for biceps. The lats, grip, and rear delts, they're all involved. The chin ups literally don't bias the function of elbow flexion, so just ignore them. Secondly, any standing variation is going to be bad, and that can be a dumbbell, easy bar, barbell, any standing free weight variation. They all suffer from the same problems. Firstly, they're very unstable and momentum normally becomes a factor, and secondly, they have a bad resistance profile. They're hardest in the mid or top range, not at the bottom. Another fairly overrated bicep exercise is the classical cable curl. Now, I'll give it to the cable curl. There's a very decent resistance profile, and you can make it hardest at the bottom. But there's also potentially a lot of shoulder movement involved. And the main problem is that it's unstable. Once you get very strong at the cable curl, you're no longer able to stabilize yourself, and that will definitely limit your force production. Cable curls are fine, but far from optimal. And now let's talk about some very good exercises, but not necessarily the best. First is the preacher curl, and this is absolutely an S tier exercise. But unknown to most people, this actually biases the brachialis better rather than the actual bicep. And that's mostly because of the flexed shoulder position. Look, the preacher curl is a great exercise and I still do it. But specifically for the biceps, we can do better. The last exercise that's always recommended is the Bayesian curl. And look, I've done the Bayesian curl a bunch in the past and it's still a great exercise. It has a great resistance profile and seems pretty stable. But in reality, guys, it's actually very hard to brace when doing this exercise. And the main reason is because of the shoulder stabilization. When we're doing a Bayesian curl, our shoulder is working very hard to stabilize our arm and keep it in place. This just needlessly makes the movement harder and makes us produce less motor units for the bicep. And another reason that this exercise is often recommended is because of the stretch. But for the biceps, it's not that we want to excessively stretch the bicep, we just want the resistance profile to match the strength curve. So without further ado, now let's get into the best bicep exercise of all time, the recline curl. Guys, this is undeniably the best bicep exercise, and I've personally seen so much growth simply implementing this in the past few months. I'm not exaggerating when I say if you can properly set this up, this will be the only bicep exercise you ever need. And here's the full tutorial on how to perform it correctly. All we need for this exercise is a bench and a dumbbell. Firstly, we'll simply set the bench to about 70 or 60 degrees. And to set yourself up, simply recline onto the bench and lean back into it. Now, a very important factor that you have to get right if you want this exercise to truly be the best in the world is stability. And guys, the secret to this is to lock your non-working hand over your working bicep. This has been a game changer for me, and this fully braces your shoulder, making it much easier to stay locked in and only focus on that elbow flexion. Another stability tip is also to potentially have a wider stance with your feet. Now, once we're set up, the execution is very simple. Make sure you just focus on elbow flexion. Don't curl through your shoulder and don't try to swing or use momentum. And on top of that, the key to executing this exercise correctly is to make sure your upper arm stays glued to the pad. This is very, very important. As this exercise gets harder and harder and you reach closer and closer to failure, you will want to lift your upper arm off the pad. Do not let this happen. Your last reps are the most important, so don't cheat them by lifting that hand up and taking the tension off your biceps. For this exercise, guys, there's absolutely no need to do drop sets or cheat reps. Simply do straight sets. That said, we're still training very, very hard, either to failure or very, very close to it. And if you follow all that advice, this is the greatest bicep exercise of all time. To conclude, guys, the biceps are very simple and they don't require many exercises. Pick 2 or even 1 amazing exercise and stay consistent at it over time. And most importantly, guys, follow these form cues and make sure your execution is perfect every time. Don't cheat progression. Let it come naturally as you execute properly. And that's the full guide on the greatest bicep exercise of all time. If you guys want a similar breakdown on every single optimal exercise for all the aesthetic muscles, including the actual split to put them in, then the first link in the description is where you can find the full Ascension system. Just a heads up that the pre-sale is ending and that the full course is dropping in just a few days. And this isn't just some $20 PDF with some random exercises. It's a fully structured system, organized and optimized specifically for aesthetics and real results. The pre-sale lets you lock in for 50% off, but as I said, it's ending in just a few days. Of course, zero pressure, you can keep learning from my free videos. But if you've been getting value from my free videos and are serious about results, then trust me, this was built exactly for you. Comment any questions down below and let me know what your favorite bicep exercise is. Leave a like if you learned anything or just enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content every single week. Thank you for watching.